all right, give me 5 minutes, because there's a very good chance your channel isn't broken, it's just slightly off. And I know that sounds vague, but if you stick with me in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact things I would fix if I had to restart a channel from zero. And here's the important bit. None of this is complicated, but almost nobody does it properly. So, the reality check. If your channel isn't growing right now, it's not random. It's not just the algorithm hating you. There's usually a reason, a very fixable one. And most of the time it comes down to clarity of your channel. The number one fix for your channel not working is that it's confusing. And this is the biggest one. If I landed on your channel right now, can I instantly tell what it's about? Not kind of, not vaguely, just instantly no. Because if I can't, neither can the YouTube algorithm. And if YouTube doesn't understand your channel, it doesn't know who to show it to, which means no growth. Look at your last 10 videos, for example. Do they all point to the same audience, the same topic, the same type of viewer? Or are they a bit all over the place? And you need to be honest with yourself about this. The fix is obviously simple. Just pick a lane and stick to it. Not forever, but just for now. One niche, one type of content, one clear viewer. And just go in all on that. Because clarity will build momentum for your channel. You don't grow by doing more things. You grow by doing less things, but you just do them better and more focused. Fix number 2 is your videos start too slow. This one kills more videos than anything else. Your intro is just too long. You're explaining too much. You're warming up. You're talking about the point. And the viewer, they've already left. The truth is, nobody owes you their attention. You have to earn it. And you have to earn it very fast. The fix is obvious. Just get to the point immediately. Within the first 5 to 10 seconds, the viewer should know what the video is about, why they should care, why they should keep watching. It should all relate to your hook. Your thumbnail and your title should be directly related to the first 10 seconds. No fluff, no build up, just instant clarity. So this is what that looks like. Instead of, hey guys, welcome back to the channel, try, this is why your videos aren't growing and here's how to fix it fast. See the difference? Fix number 3 is your videos don't hold attention, and this is a big one. Even if people click, they don't stay. And if they don't stay, you just won't grow. And it really is that simple. You see, what most people do is they focus on trying to get views, but views don't matter if people leave anymore because session time is what grows your channel now. So the fix is start thinking in terms of retention. Every part of your video should answer, why should I keep watching this? And if it doesn't, then cut it out. So here's an example. If you're explaining something, don't drag it out. Tighten it, simplify it, move faster, because attention, as we know, is very fragile these days. Clicks get you in the game. Retention will keep you in it for a longer time. Fix number 4. You're not doubling down on what works. And this one is massive. I actually have a Warhammer channel that I started a year ago for fun that's at 8,000 subscribers now and like 2 million views on the channel or something. And the one thing that I did was just double down on the videos that worked. I just did a variety of content in the Warhammer niche, found things that got lots of views, and then just doubled down on that. It's a massive way to grow your channel. You could get one video that does really well, and then you just ignore it. You move on, you try something new, and you'll lose momentum. And I've done this loads of times in the past. You get a hint of what your audience might like, and then you don't build on it. The fix is just, when something works, lean into it. Make more videos on that topic, that style, and that angle. Don't do it forever, but enough to build momentum. Maybe do 2 or 3 follow-up videos in a similar way and see if they get the same kind of response. This works really well because you're not really guessing anymore. You've already got proof of something that your audience will like, and that removes a lot of the risk for you. Fix number 5 is you are thinking too big. And this one's a bit more subtle than the rest, but I think it's important. You're trying to make the perfect video, and it's slowing you down. I've done this so much in the past. Overthinking, over-editing, over-analyzing, and you just end up posting less videos. And the fix to this is very simple. You just have to lower the bar slightly. Not in quality, but in perfectionism. Focus on being better than the last video, not this has to be the best video ever created on YouTube, otherwise it's never going to blow up. I think this is important because growth comes from volume and improvement, an iterative process of getting better each time. It's not about being perfect every upload or even just one video. It's about the process of all the videos together. Fix number 6 is your titles and thumbnails are too vague. If people don't understand your video, they won't click. And even if they do, you'll have packaging mismatch between your video and your thumbnail and title, and people will destroy your retention faster than anything you've ever seen in your life. It's really that simple. This is something that I see all the time on YouTube, titles that are just too clever or too vague or maybe even just too broad, and thumbnails that don't add clarity to the idea. The fix is make your thumbnails and title painfully obvious, but also make sure that you leave a little bit of mystery there so people feel like they want to click. Clear topic and outcome, and a clear reason to click. Maybe you're solving a problem, maybe you're presenting a mystery around something that people want to help with. You know, you've seen them before. If someone has to think about what your video is, you've already lost them. They won't stop scrolling, they'll just keep going. Fix number 7 is you're not giving it enough time. And this is one that nobody wants to hear, but most people, they just quit too early, or you mentally check out too quick. You'll post 10, 20 videos and nothing will happen, and you think, this is not working. But most of the time, you're just way too soon. You haven't made enough videos, you haven't improved enough yet in general. And the fix is you have to commit yourself to a timeline, not to results. Say, for example, I'm going to do this for a year. A video every week, 52 videos. Or I'm doing 50 videos minimum or whatever. And then just focus on getting better. You see, your channel often doesn't need a complete overhaul or a restart. It'll usually just need a few small little tweaks to get things going better. And you need to do these properly. You need to be clearer, start faster, try and hold attention longer, double down on those videos that get a few more views than the rest, and just keep going, and that's it. You're probably not as far off as you think. Your channel isn't broken, it's just slightly misaligned perhaps, and once you fix that, things will start to click for you. So if you want to understand how to structure your videos so people actually stay, watch longer and binge your content, that's exactly what I broke down in this video here. Because fixing your channel is one thing, but building momentum, that's where things really start to change.